How to transform a simple Google Sheet into a live stock market dashboard. Let's unlock real-time data with just one powerful function. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to utilize the Google Finance function to pull live stock market data directly into your Google Sheets. Whether you are an investor looking to track your portfolio in real time or simply curious about how financial data works. In this video, I'll break down everything from setting up your spreadsheet to using dynamic formulas for live updates. Get ready to transform your data management and stay ahead of the market. So come to the Google, open your Google Sheet and then create a new sheet like this. Name it as live stock prices. Right? So now we have to set up few columns. For example, company name, stock symbol, sector, sector of the stock, like whether it is finance or IT, like that. Now, current price. After that, price open means opening of the price. Market capital, P ratio. P means price to earning. 52 weeks high, and then 52 weeks low. So guys, these are the columns. So now let's understand what is these columns, right? So first is I'm going to get the company name. For example, HDFC Bank Ltd. It is the company name. So they have defined one stock symbol, that is HDFC Bank. So it is the stock symbol of that company. Sector. Sector means financial sector. I hope you are clear about these three column names. So let's highlight these columns. I'm going to take this color orange, make it bold. Yeah. Got it? So now let's understand about these columns. Price open, current price. So guys, when you open a stock, let's open one stock, HDFC Bank share price. Yeah, because you can see it is the current price, right? So the market is going to start today at 9:15 a.m. But currently it is showing previous day, like Friday open price, right? So like this, we have to get this information into our Excel sheet. Because you can see it is a documentation of Google Finance that they are giving the formulas and then how to use it to get our data. So like this, I'm going to use only few functions: price open, high, low, value, market cap, trade day, like this, right? So I just took only the important metrics: current price, price open, like this. Now let's start writing the formula and let's get the live data of one stock. So let's write the function Google Finance. Google Finance. So here we have to give our stock name. The stock name is holding it B2. B2. You can see it is a column, right? B and the row is 2. B2. So now give price. Let's give first. Oh shit. Yeah. So guys, you can see we got the current price of this HDFC Bank. So guys, you can observe here in the Google we have got this 1694. Here you can see we got the same 1694.4. Here 0.5 approximately. So guys, you can see we got the current price of the stock market into our Google sheet, right? So now like this we have to do it for price open also. So same, just copy the function and paste it here. Here instead of price we have to give price open. That's it. One sec. B2. Yeah. You can see guys, we got this one. Price opening means, so when the stock market opens, it is the opening price of the stock market and it is the current price of the stock market. Approximately it went to minus 7 rupees. Guys, you can see current price on the Friday. That means last working day of the stock market, right? You can see price open, because when the market opens, it is the price of that opening and then the current price. Now market cap. Same guys, Google Finance, and give the stock name. The stock name is holding at B2, and the market cap. Market cap means the complete amount that the HDFC Bank is holding. So guys, you can see here we got the market cap of HDFC Bank. So now for this one, so it is currently in the rupees, but I just wanted to convert it to the crores. So here you can see from this Google Finance, I'm getting the market cap. After that, I'm adding this 3 extra functions like substitute, take value, and text. So based on this function, it is going to convert this amount into crores. Now let's see the proof, like how it is converting. Here you can see, let's start with 220, 3 digits, 346, 6 digits, and 9. So here comes, we have 7 digits. That means 1521 CR that we have when we decode this number. So like that, I have this function. So it is going to convert like divided by 1 CR. So finally, we will get the value in CRs. I hope you understood. So guys, we successfully completed loading the information of 1. Now we need to add few more stock names and the stock symbol and also sectors, so that you can able to get the same information, like the same kind of information for that stock. Let's see. Let's do it for that. So here I already gave some information. I'm just going to copy this information and then paste it here. So you can see guys, approximately we have 49 stocks and then 49 stocks symbols and also sector: information technology, telecommunications, financial services, construction, like that. So here's what. So every time we don't need to write the formula for each and every stock. We can directly drag this up to here. You can see we got the values for all these stocks. So like that, drag for this price open. Got it. So we got the price open also. Now let's do it for the market cap. Yeah, we got it. Now 3 are remaining. P ratio. Okay, we also got PE ratio. And then 52 weeks high. And final one is 52 weeks low. Yeah. So guys, now you can see we got the 49 stocks of information. Like it is a live information. So when you open it today, so today is, for example, assume Sunday. So when you open it on Monday, it will be updated with the current values. So like that, based on this, you can able to build your portfolio also, right? So in the coming videos, we are going to build a portfolio based on this stock information, like how many stocks are having negative impact and how many stocks are in the positives and what is the profit and everything, right? So guys, it's a wrap for this video. So I request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit that like button.